Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to trade on the Bitget mobile app using margin trading. If this helps you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more quick crypto guides. Alright, let's get into it. When you open the Bitget app, head straight to the Trade tab at the bottom of the screen. At the top you'll see different trading modes, spot, futures, and so on, and what you want to tap is the margin option. That will take you into the margin trading interface. Once you're inside, use the search bar at the top to find the trading pair you want. For example, if you want to trade Bitcoin, just type BTC USDT, tap on the pair, and it will open the full trading screen where you can place your orders. Before you enter a position, you need to make sure your margin account has funds available. Transfer the amount you want to use into your margin account, then tap the BR button. This is where you borrow funds for leverage. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to borrow, enter the amount and confirm. The amount you can borrow depends on your current collateral and the leverage you select, so check the numbers carefully. Once confirmed, the borrowed funds will appear instantly in your margin account. Now you can set up your trading preferences. Bitget lets you choose between cross margin and isolated margin. Cross uses your whole margin balance to support all your positions, while isolated limits the risk to one single trade. Pick the mode you prefer. Then adjust your leverage by tapping the leverage option. You can use the slider or type in the exact leverage you want, whether it's 3x, 5x, or higher, depending on your strategy. Once you select your leverage, confirm it. Now you're ready to place your trade. Choose the type of order you want to use, market limit, or whichever order type fits what you're trying to do. Enter the amount of crypto you want to buy or sell, and if you're using a limit order, type in the exact price you want. If you believe the price is going up, tap buy long. If you think the price will drop, tap sell short. Once you confirm, your margin order goes live, and you can monitor it from your positions tab, and that's the full walkthrough of how to trade on Bitget using the mobile app. Super simple once you get the hang of it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you hit subscribe and let me know in the comments what Bitget guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.